Glass utensils add a touch of elegance to any kitchen or dining table, but over time they can lose their shine due to water spots, grease, and everyday use. With a few simple techniques and common household ingredients, you can make your glass utensils look clear, bright, and almost brand new again. White vinegar is a simple yet powerful natural cleaner that works wonders on glass utensils. Its mild acidity breaks down hard water stains and grease that cause glass to look cloudy or dull. To clean cloudy glass utensils, add some white vinegar into the glass and leave it for a few minutes so it can break down the mineral deposits and stains. After soaking, pour the vinegar into the sink and gently rub the glass with a soft sponge or towel to remove all remaining stains. Finally, wipe the glass with a clean, dry cloth. This simple method will restore clarity and give your glass a bright, shiny finish. Lemon is a natural and refreshing way to bring back the shine of dull glass utensils. Lemon easily cuts through grease, water spots, and stains while leaving glass clean and streak-free. To clean dirty glass utensils, first sprinkle some baking soda directly onto the glass and pour white vinegar over it. This creates a fizzing reaction that helps break down stubborn residue and stains. Next, squeeze some lemon juice over the surface and let it sit for a few minutes, then gently rub the glass with lemon pieces, using a sponge for tougher stains. Rinse thoroughly with clean water, wash lightly with dish soap, and rinse again. Finally, wipe dry with a clean cloth. This method leaves the glass clean, clear, and sparkling. Glass utensils cleaning powder is specially formulated to remove tough stains, grease, and cloudiness from glass without causing scratches. Simply sprinkle the powder onto the dirty or stained glass, then rub gently with a damp sponge or cloth. The powder works to lift grease, food residue, and water spots, restoring clarity and shine without scratching the surface. After rubbing, rinse thoroughly with clean water and wipe dry, leaving your glass utensils sparkling like new. Cleaning tablets are an easy and effective way to make glass utensils sparkle like new. To use, simply drop a tablet into a bowl of warm water and allow it to dissolve completely, creating a powerful cleaning solution. Dip a clean cloth into the solution and rub it over any spots or stains on the glass. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry with a soft cloth. This method leaves glass utensils clear, bright, and streak-free with minimal effort. Regular care not only restores their shine but also helps maintain their clarity and elegance for years to come, making every meal feel a little more special.